football match getting underway. And away we go. And just laying off is Kisner. Intercepted, it will come the other way. Long distance pass and a one touch. Here's Sterling with an opportunity. Takes the shot and it's knocked away. Ranciano, wow. Here's this shot. 3-on-1 by Sterling. He takes the shot. Hit the post. Sterling. Akili now in the box. Gets the shot off. Another bailout by the woodwork. Gathered up and just take another look. Slow motion. To get this shot off, folks, is a big deal. And we are trying to gather it up now that he's back in the match. But Phelps picked it up, gave it right to Bedoya. Bedoya gets past Cabral, gets the shot off. That works off of the woodwork. And it has to be cleared off is Bush. Tucson and one off the woodwork. That has helped Tormenta. Ball's into the middle once again, and this is what Tucson did in the first half. Running up, taking the shot, and that is punched away. Moape for Kingsford. Cabral gets it to Sterling. Cabral has to be punched away. Nobody there for the rebound. Akili is there. Cabral is there. Left foot, right foot. Goes right at it and finds the back of the net. 76th minute. Tormenta gets the goal they've been looking for, and it comes on a set piece directly into the back of the net. Opportunity to take all 3 points. Left foot. Boom! Back of the net. It just gets prettier and prettier every time you see it. So Shaw for Sunday and Allen for Calestro. Both of those in the 76th. 3 substitutions for each team. And that has to be ushered away by Bush. Coming the other way. Allen with an opportunity in front of all the defenders. Cutting it into the middle. That's in the back of the net. And that is exactly what Tormenta was trying to avoid. The breakaway, the counter evens it up in the 92nd minute. 1-1. The substitute just put a dagger in the heart of Tormenta. Allen leading the charge. Sending it over. Going into the back of the net. Garcia. Came in the 80th. And got the equalizer. Or do you serve it into the box? Serves it into the box, goes all the way through. It is cleared out. That's going to do it on the match. The final chapter at Irk Russell Park.